No one told us that life was going to be this way. I know you feel like you're stuck in the 2019-20 school year. It hasn't been our day, our week, our month, or even our year. You can't stay in bed till 10 because our school starts at 7:57. Your teachers are up and ready to start. Things are going to be great. Our mothers warned us there'd be times like this when the world knocks us down to our knees. But it will still be great because we're the KJHS Whippet family and we will be there for you. Hello, I'm Jackie McWayne. I'm the principal of Kosciusko Junior High School, and I want to welcome you to our new but different school year.
Hey guys, I'm Macy Wilbanks. I'm an assistant principal here at the junior high. We look so forward to having all the students here at school this year and can't wait to see them.
Thank you, Officer Snowbanks. I am Glenn Stevens, assistant principal at Kosciusko Junior High School, and I also look forward to seeing you as soon as you come back. And in the meantime, good luck and Godspeed.
And I'm Logan Cheek. I'll be joining everyone here as the lead teacher. I can't wait to see everybody. Have fun.
Hello, I'm Pacey Reagan, the counselor at Kosciusko Junior High. We're all looking forward to a bright new school year.
Good morning. We are your one and only Kosciusko Junior High secretaries. My name is Miss Huffman.
And I'm Miss Kyle. We're here to take care of your needs.
Don't worry, we will always be here for you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Wood. I'm the librarian.
I got a question.
Hello, my name is Miss Sullivan. I teach 7th grade math at the junior high.
Hey, I'm Sarah Williams, and I teach 7th grade math and compacted math at the junior high, and we really can't wait to see you.
Hey, I'm Miss Lindley Orr, and I teach 7th grade English. Can't wait to see y'all.
Hey, this is Miss Jenkins. I can't wait to see y'all boys and girls, and I'll be teaching 7th grade English this year also.
Hey, I'm Kobe Wolforth.
And I'm Penny Mitchell, and we teach 7th grade science.
Hello, parents. This is Mr. Terry.
And this is Mrs. Kane. We're your 7th grade U.S. history teachers this year. We hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Michelle Carr, and I'm a 7th grade ICT 1 and ICT 2 teacher.
And I'm Mr. Kane, and I'll be your 7th grade ICT 2 teacher.
Hey, I'm Kayla Williams, and I'm going to be teaching 7th grade inclusion and tutorial.
Hi, Cassandra Riley. I'll be teaching 7th grade inclusion and tutorial.
Hey, I'm Rachel Cade. I'll be teaching 7th grade inclusion and tutorial.
Hi, I'm Beth Manus, and I'll be teaching 7th grade SCD.
My name is Miss Harthcock, and I'm the SLP here at the junior high.
Hi, I'm Jason Howard. This is Roderick Howell and James Long, and we are the band directors.
Hey, I'm Coach Briscoe. I do junior high boys PE.
And hey, I'm Coach Faulkner. I have girls PE.